The last video of the day is going to feature one more tool that we're going to put in our toolbox, and that's going to be the harmonic minor scale. For tenor and soprano saxophones in the key of F, yours is going to be like this. We're going to start with D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp to D. Do it again. All right, so now for alto saxophone, that scale is going to start on our A, and it's going to go like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, A flat, and then A. So that's what's going on with that scale. What does that mean to us when it comes to smooth jazz and gospel and stuff like that? Well, it's another flavor. It's another something that you can add to your soloing. So experiment. Let's experiment spontaneously. I've been filming all day. I don't know if you can see it in my eyes, but I'm very tired right now. So this is definitely going to be a very spontaneous thing. Let's see what happens. Here we go. So I'm going to do that again one more time, and as you can see, one thing that sounded good in this track was me using it as another grace note. So let's talk about what I just did right there. That was me doing a grace note off my fifth note in the key of C, and coming down to my fourth note, which is F. Then I went down to my 1, which was my C, and I repeated it in a different octave. So I said, and then you saw me right now go use it to start off with to run up the scale. And now we kind of skip G when you do that scale strictly, but you don't have to do it strictly. See, I went to that G right there, but if I skip G this time, so there's going to be some keys where playing it strict might sound good, but using it as another form of grace notes and being creative with it, gave us another option of something we could play. And so that's what I wanted to point out for you, that this could be something that you could use like that. So I'm going to use some of our other techniques, and I'm going to throw this in here and let you see how, give you a demonstration of how to do this one more time. Now, all of you tenor saxophone players and soprano saxophone players, again, I did not forget you. You just apply the same methods of what I just did in your key, but this is what you're using on this track: D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D. Don't forget that. Give it a try. Okay, so that's going to conclude course number 4. I gave you a lot of things to work on, a lot of things you need to add to your practice regimen. And so, you need to remember that you need to keep these things under your fingers. You need to keep them fresh, because you're going to have to keep pulling from them over and over again to create what you want to create as it relates to solos. So, thanks for tuning in with me. Thanks for supporting. I really appreciate you. I'm looking forward to seeing videos, hearing from you. You can contact me through darrenmerle.com and seeing your progress, because I know this works. This is what I had for a long time. I didn't have a whole lot of theory on this works over this kind of chord and that. I had to use my ear and experiment and say, I like these type things, and how would a singer maybe use this? How would a jazz singer scat over this with some of this stuff? And I use some of these things, and I've been able to develop a style off of this. And like I said, for years, all I had was a major pentatonic, a minor pentatonic, and a major scale. And so, you keep adding these different tools to what you already have, and you're able to do some pretty cool things. So I think this is enough information for this course. I'm going to have to get another course to take you a little bit further on some things that we can add to our solo building. But thanks again for joining me in course 4. And hey, whatever you do, keep it soulful. Have a good one.